Good morning, students. Today we will do the chapter number 7, that is combustion. Okay, what do you mean by combustion? Beta, combustion is a process by which when you burn any substance, it gives you heat and light energy. That process is known as combustion. And what do you mean by substance? Substance is anything that occupies space and has some mass. Like, look at this pen. Okay, it occupies some space and it has some weight, so it's a substance. This book is a substance. This tumbler is a substance. Okay, this pencil is a substance. This chalk is a substance. So all the things around us are substance. And everybody knows there are 3 states of matter, like solid, liquid and gases. And the material which produce heat energy on burning in air, the material which produce heat, okay, on burning in the presence of air are called fuels. Everybody knows the fuel for our body is food, okay? And what are the fuels? Like coal, coke, kerosene, LPG, petrol, wood, all are fuels. Okay, and in the chapter number 6, we have discussed about the different type of fuels, like solid fuel, liquid fuel and gaseous fuel. All these fuels give you a heat and light energy when they burn in the presence of air, means in the presence of oxygen. Okay, there are some material that produce flame on burning, like when I burn the candle, it produce flame. Okay, but there are other material which burn without a flame. Okay, now we will discuss about the combustion and combustible material. Okay, and what are the combustible material? The material which on heating in the presence of air and oxygen catch fire easily and produce heat and light energy is called combustible material. Means the material which produce heat and light energy in the presence of air is known as combustible material. And the process in which, and this whole process is known as combustion. Okay, the whole process is known as combustion, and the substance that undergo combustion is known as combustible substance. Like when I burn a paper, it gives you a heat and light energy. The paper is a combustible substance, and the whole process, the process of burning of paper is known as a combustion. Okay. Now see, student, this is candle. I burn the candle and you are seeing the flame. This part is flame, means when I burn the candle, it give you heat. अभी heat भी दे रहा है और it give you light energy. ठीक है? And this process is known as combustion. And this part is known as flame. Candle give you a flame. Okay, and this candle is a combustible substance, and the whole process, when I burn the candle, it gives us heat and light energy. This process is known as combustion. Understood? Now we will perform an activity. I have some material with me, okay, and I have to verify which substance is combustible and which is non-combustible. What are the combustible substance? That substance which burn and give you heat and light energy, that are combustible, and the material which does not give you heat and light energy on burning is known as non-combustible substance. Come with me, we will perform activity. See, candle, I already burn it. Candle is a combustible substance. Now I have a matchstick. I am burning this matchstick. It gives you heat and light energy, means matchstick is a combustible substance. Okay, I have these iron nails. Let's do it. When I burn it, it does not give you heat and light energy. See, कोई heat और light energy, कोई flame नहीं produce हो रही. So this is non-combustible substance. Okay, now I have a rubber. See, मैं इसको burn कर रही हूँ, कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, black हो गई. ठीक है, it does not give you heat and light energy, so it's a non-combustible. And I have this glass. ठीक है, ग्लास बॉटल. मैं इसको करके देख रही हूँ. इट डज नॉट गिव यू हीट एंड लाइट एनर्जी, जस्ट ब्लैक हो गया. इट मीन्स इट इज अ नॉन कंबस्टिबल सब्सटेंस. एंड आई हैव दिस पेपर. व्हेन आई बर्न दिस पेपर, सी, it give you heat and light, so it's a combustible substance. Okay, from this activity you can see there are some substances that are combustible and there are some substances that are non-combustible. The next topic is, what are the conditions required for a combustion? What are the conditions? हमें क्या क्या चाहिए for the combustion to take place? ठीक है, number 1, there must be a combustible substance. Means substance होना चाहिए जिसको हमने burn करना है, like candle. ठीक है, there must be a continuous supply of oxygen. Means continuous supply of air or oxygen should be there, and the temperature of combustible material should be above its ignition temperature. That we will discuss later on. ठीक है, first condition, there is some activity. From this activity I will show you that the oxygen gas is required for burning. Come with me. Now what the first condition was, there should be a combustible substance. देखो मेरे पास candle है and this candle is a combustible substance. First condition is satisfied. The second condition was there should be a continuous supply of air. Now देखो, look at this room. There in the room there is air and this candle is getting the oxygen. ठीक है, because this candle is getting the oxygen, that's why the candle is burning. When I cut down the supply of oxygen, how can I cut the supply of oxygen? I have this glass jar. ठीक है, I will cover the candle with this glass jar. See what will happen. The candle blow off. Why the candle blow off? Because it does not getting the oxygen in a proper amount. That's why the candle blow off. Because मैंने सप्लाई बंद कर दी ऑक्सीजन की. जितनी देर ऑक्सीजन की सप्लाई मिल रही थी, कैंडल बर्न हो रही थी. जैसे ही मैंने जार उसके ऊपर रख दिया, सप्लाई बंद हो गई एंड कैंडल blow off. So second condition is fulfilled, means there should be a continuous supply of oxygen.